Good morning, fellow Samaritans, fellow beings, fellow humans. It's a brand new day today. As you can see, the location of the car is in another place. So I thought there was like bird poop all over there, there. And then I switched to this place here. Apparently it's not bird poop, it's something to do with the plants, the mango tree, It's like same thing though. Anyway, today morning woke up early and decided to get productive and check out my new gas strut valves. Okay, you need a little bit of help here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, photo booth. Finally. So I replaced these two shocks. Okay. So eventually you need a smaller flathead just to fry in between these clips, So let's for one here and another one there, right? So that's it. Okay, this hockey stick is used to like just hold the bonnet while you're installing one. It's kind of dangerous job, so just be careful when you are doing this. My dad used to hit me with this hockey stick. Oh no, wait, I was just kidding. It was a different hockey stick. Okay, anyway, that's done. One thing done and 99 things to go. Okay. Well, look what I have here today. So promised yesterday. Okay, this is the boot. I can't find original one though. So this is okay. Yeah, it's a boot. Apparently it's M style. I guess so. And to remove this is so easy. Okay, just pop this out. And then this one has some clips. Oops, something. So there are like 4 tabs here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apparently, yeah, 4 tabs. And then you just pull it out. As you can see, these are the span. Most of it are cracked, but it is what it is. The rubber boot though, it's broken to half. So I need to find out where is it. There's some play in this, so most likely I need to get a new boot and the replacement kit for this, so that's for another part of the video. I don't have the parts for it yet, so let's see how do I fix this into this. So apparently it's glued together. Apparently it's glued together. Let me see what can I do here. So I got the old part out and then fixed in a new one. The new one came with a rubber, some sort of it's like rubber stitchings and so on. So it just slides through the the bracket here, so I guess it should be going inside somewhere like this. So let's look at this. This is the old one. It's leather though, not too bad. Stays, it's over. Yeah, good quality. Yeah, this one looks like cheap PU plastic. Anyway, it is what it is. So let's look at the surprise here. Yeah, there you go. Aha, look at that. Yeah, so reverse correct. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I bought the one with the lights, so it'll be easier to see the gears though. Anyway, you don't look at it. It's supposed to be soldered somewhere here, around here. There's like a free connector lying around here, 12-volt connector. So just connect that to here, but that'll be for another day. So I'll fix this boot first. Okay. So let's slide it in gently. Okay, it's in, and then if I'm not wrong, I'm supposed to wire this in there and then push it down. Hold on. Yeah. All right, I'm done. So it's MR. Okay, looks better than before. So now I have a manual gear knob. If you guys want, just let me know. And then this. So maybe one of these days I'll go back to the junkyard and look for all this, because I want to keep this as stock as possible. So that's it for the manual gear knob. Yeah. So now that the struts are done, okay, actually I want to replace my real tail lights, the smaller ones, because this looks not that bad, but this one is quite bad. See, you can see it's already dark. Water, there's a crack here. Okay, same goes there. So in order to remove this, you have to like just loosen these two nuts, disconnect this connector, and then pull out these lights. I went to the junkyard and I bought two. This one looks nice, but however this one has some like light scratches on it. I think it should be able to work. Maybe need some polishing. So it should be something like this, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the white part's supposed to go on top. Yep. So this is left and this is right. Okay, so let's start replacing them. Okay, I'm done fixing the new lights. These are the old lights. அது அப்படிதான் லாக்டவுன் okay, cantik lah mah. Baru light. Okay, it looks better now. Yeah, million times better. Let's go for a haircut because I look that good. Nan ma giving Amma flowers, and then we'll go for a haircut. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see. Yep, it's good. Hello. Okay, so I still have an hour before my classes, so my time here is short this time around. Okay, I'll be going back, so my next visit, I'm not so sure when is my next visit, but anyway, I like to address the blower motor issue. Okay, as you can see, hold on. So I tidied up this radio and everything, just put everything back together. Okay, this is the gear knob that I replaced earlier today with the boot. The ship level boot looks nice. Okay, not that bad. So I need to buy the part for this, the bushing, and also the rubber boot beneath this. Okay, to source it out. So right now, okay, let's see the blower motor. Okay, so it's not working. So what I can do is okay, give you all a quick tip, so when your blower motor isn't working at any speed, okay, most likely it's not the blower motor. Okay, first you check the fuse. Okay, like I mentioned, it was working before, and then after that it didn't work anymore. And then now look at the RPM, it looks stable. I'm not so sure what is happening, or maybe this car wasn't driven for quite some time, and then all these weird issues start popping out. And then sometimes they have this magical power, like Herbie, the car, the Volkswagen Beetle, car number 53, that it can heal by itself. I guess my car does that, I guess. So show you a quick tip. I already parked the car inside because I won't be back for quite some time. I'll also be replacing this trim here. Okay, I got one from the junkyard, so let's go check out the fuse. Yeah, we replaced the rear tail lights as well, which brand spanking new. So this is the fuse box for the car. So as you can see, it's all clearly labeled, and heater blower is fuse number 19. So if I measure fuse number 19, invest in yourself a multimeter. This one I just bought from Lazada Shopee. So get one if you are a person who likes to DIY. Get one for yourself. Okay, just choose the range 200 ohm, and then the probe, and then look for the fuse. What was that? Heater blower, fuse 19. So just check fuse 19 from here. I can visually see that the fuse is already short, but never mind. Let's do a measurement here. So when you measure these two contacts, it should have a continuity. As you can see, I'm measuring the two contacts and I don't have any continuity. So I'll just pop out the fuse, then replace with the correct rating. So for fuse number 19, right? So fuse number 19, you can see it's 30 amps. Wow. 30 amps, right? So fuse number 19 is 30 amps. Okay. So let me replace that fuse, then we'll test it out. Okay. So I have a 30 amp fuse here. Okay. You can see the value is 30. You can get yourself like this, like 100 pieces. Then just this fuse is smaller than the original fuse, but it should fit because it's just a fuse. So just slide it in properly. We use my long nose. So my 30 amp fuse is in there. So now if you measure the continuity between the contacts, you should see some continuity. Okay. See? Yep. There you go. So let's test the blower motor right now. So yeah, there's some air coming out. Can you hear that? The blower motor is working. Yeah. So that's how you rectify this blower motor issue. No need to go to the mechanic, but the mechanic will surely rip you off. I mean, say, bang, motor ni rosak bang, tukar 500 ringgit. Just gone like that. I mean, we have the tools like that multimeter and that fuse, like probably cost me like 30 ringgit and so it's working. So then I can turn off and then I on again. So 1 is like super slow speed, 2 higher, 3 higher, 4 that's the highest I can go, and then I can turn on the aircon here, and finally, you know, it's cold air. Okay, that's my repair. So let me fix this here. Okay guys, I just remembered that I have speaker wires to run through, so I won't be installing the trims for now. Maybe after I get hold of that, I mean after I rectify the issue, should be able to install the speaker wires then. The trim, after I rectify the wiring issue for the speakers. So right now